Today a reader, tomorrow a leader. Happy reading day to all my viewers. Hello all, welcome to a new video on logic design. This video is about Xs3 code, which is an important topic in your GATE exam or any other competitive exam. In this video, I have explained certain tricks that has to be followed while attempting the 1-mark questions related to this topic in order to save your time in the exam. So watch the video till the end so that you can cover all the important topics explained in the video. If you are new to my channel, check out the videos on the selected topics from the course of Logic Design and the solutions of the previous year question papers of Logic Design. The links of all those videos have been given in the description box. So without further delay, let's get started. The Xs3 code is also called as Xs3 code. Xs3 code is a non-weighted BCD code. Each binary code word, or in short BCD, is the corresponding 8421 code plus 0011, which is the binary of the number 3. It is a sequential code and can be used for arithmetic operations. It is a self-complementing code. Therefore, subtraction by the method of complement addition is more direct in Xs3 code than that in 8421 code. Let us find the Xs3 code for 22. The number given is 22. We have to find the Xs3 code. For this, what we have to do is add 3 to both the digits. There are 2 digits in this number. So you have to add 3 to each digit in that number, so that you will get 3 plus 2, 5, 3 plus 2, 5, 5, 5. Or you can write the BCD of the given number, that is, what is the BCD of the given number 22? It is the first digit, write the binary of the first digit, it is 0010. You can use the 8421 technique to write this binary, what we have learnt in our previous lectures. And the next digit 2, the binary of that is 0010. So this is the BCD code for the given number 22. Similarly, you have to write the BCD code for this 33. That is, what is the binary of 3? The first digit, it is 0011. This is the binary of the first digit 3. Write the binary of the second digit 3. Now we have to add these bits. So what you will get, 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 with 1 carry. So that carry plus 0 plus 0 will give you 1. Then 0 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is again 0 with 1 carry. Therefore, 0 plus 0 plus 1 will give you 1 and 0 plus 0 is 0. So, either you can do the addition like this. You can add 3 with both these digits like this and then convert this to numbers. That is, what is 0101? It is 5. Similarly, this 0101 is 5 and you can write the result as 55. But in GATE exam or any other competitive exam where you will get a 1-mark question, in order to save the time, this is the best method. If you get the BCD code like this and to find the Xs3 code for this BCD code, what we have to do is convert this directly to the number, then add it and then find the result. So this is the easiest method. This will help you to save the time. Now let us find the Xs3 code for 25.35. So the given number is 25.35. What we have to do is, in order to find the Xs3 code for 25.35, we have to add 3 to each digit in this number. There are 4 digits in this number, so add 3 to all these digits so that you will get like this. Now we have to do the addition here. 5 plus 3 will give you 8. 3 plus 3 is 6. Point. 5 plus 3 is 8. 3 plus 2 is 5. Now we have to write the BCD of this number directly from this. So what is the BCD of 5? The first digit, the BCD of 5 is 0101. And what is the BCD of 8? The second digit, it is 1000. Point. What is the BCD of 6? BCD of 6 is 0110. And what is the BCD of 8? BCD of 8 is 1000. If you have any doubt, you can use this 8421 trick where here for 5, 4 plus 1 gives you 5 and so on. We have learned this trick in the previous lectures. You can refer to that lectures to make this easy to write the binary of these values by using this 8421 trick. So this is your BCD code for 58.68 and this is the Xs3 code for 25.35. We can write the BCD and Xs3 for the numbers like 0. The BCD of 0 is 4 zeros, 0000. Xs3 is add 3 to this number. 0 plus 3 will give you 3. Therefore, Xs3 of 0 is 3. Now, BCD of 1 is 0001 and Xs3 of 1 is 0100, which is 4. That is 1 plus 3, 4. Now, BCD of 2 is 0010 and Xs3 is 2 plus 3, 5. That is 0101. BCD of 3 is 0011. Xs3 is 3 plus 3, 6. BCD of 4 is 0100 and Xs3 is 4 plus 3, 7. And so on. Now let us check what is the BCD of 12. BCD of 12 is write the binary for 1 and 2 so that you will get 0001 for 1 and 0010 for 2, which makes 12. BCD of 12. And when you write the BCD of 12, you have to write at least 5 bits. So let that 5 bit is like 10010. These 3 zeros can be omitted. So when you add, we have to add 3 to both the digits. That is, we have to add 1 plus 3, 2 plus 3, which will give you 55. Sorry, 45. 3 has to be added with the first bit. It will give you 4. And when you add 3 to the second number, not bit, second digit, you will get 5. Therefore, you will get 45. So when you write that in binary, binary of 4 is 0100 and binary of 5 is 0010. So this is the Xs3 code of the number 12. Xs3 addition and Xs3 subtraction will be explained in my next lecture. Till then, stay tuned.